Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Yes, it is the time to shut down the Flash 24-hour Flash Yarn Thread giveaway sponsored by Frida Erbashar or Frida Erbashar. Okay, here we go. So I posted this yesterday, 29 September 2009 at 1:24 p.m. 13:24 p.m. So it's 1:27 p.m. So, and so far I'm going to go to my advanced settings, allow comments. I'm going to remove that. So the 24 hour is over, and I would congratulate the people that has liked and viewed and comment. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here. So I was looking, so there's total of, yeah, so I disabled. Can't see, yeah, but how am I gonna do this? Okay, I'm not supposed to disable until, let me see. Oh, this is the first time I'm doing this. Disabling. I'm not supposed to disable, right? Right, yeah, I have to go back and open it. Yeah, it says no comments to display because I didn't do it. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Nothing to worry about. Okay, this is the first time I'm doing this, and I'm taping what I'm doing. So please be patient. Okay, let me go back. So there's total of 121 likes and comments. Let me go back. So allow comments and then save. And then let me go back. So it's been 24 hours, so I'm going to do the drawing. To do the drawing, I have to do the drawing. I have to pick up the okay, 101 comments. So I am going to copy and paste this link. So there's 101 comments. Okay, so I'm going to do, so far 3 people from Canada has messaged me. So I really don't know how many I should pick, but I'm for international, I was planning to do 2. Okay, here we go. So I am doing 2, and I might come back to do 2 more, just in case, because I'm shipping 1 box tomorrow to Nancy Strand, and crocheted, what's her name? Can't remember. Okay, Crocheting Dreams has messaged me, and I forgot her name. So Nancy Strand, Crocheting Dreams, and Tina Ferraz messaged me. So these Alex and Wanda, Antionette hasn't messaged me, so I will wait another week, I guess. If I don't hear, I will do a drawing for Canadians as well. Okay, so I put my link here, just like that, and I'm just gonna go. Okay, I guess this is how you do it. I forget every time I go in, I forget this. Okay, so just go like this, I guess, and we'll see who's gonna win. Amount of, okay. Who's gonna win? Eleanor, it's you! Eleanor from Canada. She's from Sherwood Park. She picked up a box last year. Oh my goodness! Congratulations, Eleanor. Yeah, she says, congratulations, Frida, on 22. Such an accomplish. I really enjoy your tutorial. I'm from Sherwood Park. Yes, I remember you came from, I think, your daughter last year, and you picked up a box. Canadian CA and love to knit. Well, congratulations. Okay, so what I'll do this, I'm going to screenshot this, and then I will put this on my my Instagram and my fan Facebook. Well, another Canadian one. No, okay, so I don't have to pick another Canadian, I guess. So it says pick another winner. So what I'm going to share this on your fan Facebook wall. I'll do that. Yeah, while I'm doing it. And the winner is Eleanor from Sherwood Park. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, Eleanor, if you're watching this, I will message you when you want to come and pick up the box. Yeah, and I'll make a big box for you. Okay, so I'm going to pick another winner. Okay. Cross your fingers. Okay, here we go. Christina Marie, congratulations on 22,000 subscribers. I don't always comment. I guess I should. I have some absolute gorgeous. You have some thanks to you and your tutorial. I'm a crocheter from another Canadian. Oh my goodness. Another Canadian. Although I don't crochet with threads. Oh my goodness, the yarns I have ever used in a shawl and a ball. And goes on. Thank you so much for your lovely comment, Christine. So email me for your address, and I will ship the yarn to you. Okay, I'm gonna screenshot this one as well. And then I will another Canadian. So I'm gonna share this on Facebook. And another Canadian. This is nice. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna pick one more. Cross your fingers. Here we go. Faye Laraock, congratulations on 22,000. Thank you for sharing and for your giveaway. I live in Florida and I love to crochet. It helps me have a calm day. Good luck to you all. Okay. Thank you, Faye. Now I'm thinking, if you're a crocheter, do you use lace yarn, cotton yarn? So email me your mailing address and what you like to crochet with, so I can gather the yarn. Oh my goodness. So I will share this on Facebook. Another winner. Third. Let's put down third. Third winner from Florida, USA. Finally, we got international. Well, for me, it's international. Okay. And then I hope when I share this, it shows that on my, yeah, let's check that if it shows that on my, when I share it. Oh no, it doesn't show. Yeah, it just advertise, I guess. I thought it would show. Oh, it does. The winner is. Oh, this is nice. Here we go. The third winner is from Florida, Faye Laraock. Another winner, Canadian, Christina Marie. Oh, this is nice. So it shows. Wow, I never tried. This is the first time. Okay, I'm going to pick another winner. Just extra. Just in case if I don't hear from Faye. Okay, so cross your fingers. And this is the last one. And if I don't hear any replies from them, I will come back to do another drawing. Okay, so Miss Penguin Supreme. I'm from Arizona, and I first started using Angora. Oh yeah, I read your message. Oh, I'm so happy you won. Yeah, you tutorials, Angora because of your tutorials, and I knit mostly but crochet often. My Balera knitting skills could be better, but I'm getting there. Yeah, I read your message last time. Well, I think I read most of them, and I put a heart there. So what I'm going to do is, before I screenshot this one, I'm going to put this on disable. So no one would comment because it's over, right? And I did my drawing, if I need to come back, I will come back. Otherwise, it's, yeah, if I don't hear from anybody, and I hope these boxes that I'm going to ship will not come back. Let's say it that way. Let's turn this off. So, just curious. Yeah, comments are disabled for this video. So, like I said, no one is going to comment because it's over, and I will put down closed, as that's what I usually do. And I noticed I had 100 subscribers since I posted. I was shocked. Now I'm 22,100. So I was like, my goodness, 100 more. Maybe it did an update. So I don't know. So Miss Penguin Supreme. So please email me what yarn you want. It looks like you like Angora. Let me see if I can find something for you to knit. And I do have a goat rabbit Angora. If you want those, I can send you. Yeah, it's I have so much yarn. And you said you're a crocheter mostly, and oh, knit mostly. Yeah, you're knit mostly. And but crochet often. Okay, so let me know what you like, and if you have, I don't think you have allergies to wool, because if you're knitting with Angora rabbit, you shouldn't have. So yeah, email me your mailing address so I can ship the yarn to you. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna screenshot this one. Did I share this one? I don't remember. I don't think I shared this one. I'll share this one too. And then what I'll do is, if I don't hear, hopefully I'll hear. And the last winner is, yeah, if I don't hear, I will come back to do more drawings from the same link that I did. But I will do a live like this. I'm so happy. And I just can't wait to get your mailing address so I can ship these boxes ASAP. I want them out of my bedroom. You have to see my bedroom. It's like, wow. Well, I did prepare Nancy's box, so I will ship that her tomorrow. And that's all, I guess. Yeah, this is disabled. So happy with the end result. I hope you guys are happy too. I am sorry for the ones that didn't win. It's luck, I guess. Next time, I'm planning to do this giveaway. So I have 5 for sure. And how many draws did I do? Did I do 4 now or 5? Let me see. I can come back here and look at it. How many I did total? So I have 5 already. And like I said, if I don't hear the other 3, I will use these. So 1, 2, it's opening so slow, 2, 3, 4. So I did 4, so 9 total. So I'm giving away 9 boxes. They're pretty big boxes. And I am planning to do this next year, and if I don't know, maybe I'll do another one in between, but other than that, this is all to it. I really thank you very much for watching my videos, sharing them, liking them. I really appreciate it. I'm just so happy with the end result. That's going up. Okay. And like I said, my videos are like, I did go back and check some people, like, you need to open this in public. Yeah, I need to go back and check you guys now. Miss Penguin Supreme, it says. To do that, I need to open though, to click it, yeah. I know that Eleanor is a subscriber from last year. So Eleanor, I know you're a subscriber. Yeah, so I will check the other and then we'll go from there. Yeah, you need to unlock your, have it public so I can, when I go and click channels, I will see who you are subscribing to. Like these are the people that I subscribe. Like you can see them, right? Everyone is here. Like you need to open it so I can go and check it. Otherwise, I'm not going to be shipping. I need to see that you're a subscriber. There has to be a proof. And I would really appreciate if you like this video and share it as well. So, yeah. So I will become bigger and bigger. Okay, well, again, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. I really appreciate it. And happy knitting, happy crocheting to everyone. And I'm saying goodbye.